Hi, I'm Kim Brown with Gallus Properties, and I want to take you on a tour of 27 Moon Court. I'm really excited to show this to you. This original 2001 build is not even a glimmer of its former self. We're out in the Lake Hatcher area, the Pagosa Lakes, right next to the Turkey Springs trail systems. Really walking distance or biking to the lakes. It's just fantastic. So come with me. Two-car garage, all concrete parking area here with stamped covered concrete entrance and open sun area, plus another little shady front porch. So cute. This home is right at 1,600 square feet. We're 0.21 of an acre. It is a lovely split plan, so you have your primary suite all by itself on this wing, and then two lovely guest rooms on the other wing, separated by this beautiful great room with vaulted ceiling. Look how swanky this is. This does come furnished, by the way. All radiant in-floor heating, brand new system, brand new tankless hot water system, brand new wood stove. This heats like crazy. You might not even use the in-floor, by the way. They pulled some of the past into the present. They wanted to preserve this cool feature of this tile with the new luxury vinyl planking. So I think it just fused beautifully. Nice open kitchen. Custom cabinetry, solid wood, extra tall uppers, and look how big these guest rooms are. They're the size of most people's primary suites. So you have the two guest rooms, one which they use as an office, and then a full bath that is shared between them, as well as services the common area. Okay, so bedroom 2, we are in what they use as the office here. Again, such a nice large space. This opens to the fenced backyard, which we'll go out and take a peek in a minute. Okay, you have to come see this awesome backyard. It's all fenced. It has a combination, well, it's a privacy fence, so it's wood and the metal, so super cute, private, functional, perfect for the pups and anything else you want to do. So you have to come out and see this. It's also the area where perfect storage is for the wood for your wood burning stove in there. Just lovely. And it comes around to a beautiful little seating area too. And just a nice yard. I mean, this is a perfect place to hang out. We do have a little covering on the mountains today, but you get some views out there. Views are subjective, I know, but you do get some peak views from here. This property feels very extra private to me. It's on a very quiet little cul-de-sac. So I just love it. Lots of storage throughout. And here is your gorgeous primary suite. Look at all the windows. You could leave every light off in this place and it's going to be just about this bright. So I think the lights are just giving a little accent versus actually lighting it. So, and come take a look at this master bath. Look at this shower, double sink vanity, and beautiful walk-in closet and private water closet. I can't tell you, like, this place has my heart. Okay, so let's come out and take a look at the laundry area. the laundry room and how they've used it. And it does have the stained concrete floor, which I love. You know, they set up like a little coffee bar and just merged all of this together. I think leaving all the counter space, which there's a ton of counter space in the kitchen, but leaving it free for all of your culinary creations. So, and then has a nice large 2-car garage, and you can see all of the in-floor heating zones and the Navion tankless hot water heaters. Okay, this is one home, and it's single level on top of it. I don't know how long you've been looking, but single levels are really hard to come by, and really hard to come by in a good area. This is a fantastic neighborhood. It offers so much. You need to come see this home in person because it's going to go away really fast.